In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Calendly and ActiveCampaign integration. This step-by-step process will help you connect both tools smoothly so you can automate follow-ups, manage leads faster, and streamline your workflow. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the ActiveCampaign website. Once you're there, click on the login button at the top right and enter your account name and password. After logging in, the main dashboard where all your marketing tools and automation options are available. Now, to connect Calendly, navigate to the Apps section inside ActiveCampaign. This section contains all available integrations. Scroll through the list and find Calendly, then click on it to begin the setup. Once you're inside the Calendly integration page, click on Add an Account. This will start the connection process. After that, click Connect and you'll be directed to approve the integration. Simply allow access so ActiveCampaign can sync with your Calendly data. Once connected, the next step is selecting the event you want to integrate. Click on Select an Event to choose which Calendly appointment type should trigger actions inside ActiveCampaign. This is helpful if you have multiple booking links for different purposes. After selecting your event, click on Review Objects link. This page shows exactly what information will be passed from Calendly to ActiveCampaign, such as the contact's name, email address, event time, or any custom questions you included in your booking form. Reviewing this helps ensure everything is syncing correctly. Finally, click on Mapping. This is where you match Calendly fields to the correct ActiveCampaign fields. For example, mapping the Calendly email field to the ActiveCampaign email field, the first name field to the first name contact field, and any additional information you collect during booking. Make sure all important fields are mapped properly so your automation runs smoothly without missing data. And that's it, the Calendly and ActiveCampaign integration. From now on, every time someone books a meeting, their details will flow directly into ActiveCampaign, allowing you to trigger automated emails, follow-ups, tags, and more. This integration saves time and creates a seamless experience between scheduling and marketing. Happy automating!